What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call 100 Hello Direct, helping people do their business better. So today we're going to talk about the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to do things a little bit different. So basically, I scoured the interwebs, and here are the most frequently asked questions when it comes to the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. So number one, how comfortable is it? So the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex features Jabra Air Comfort technology, which uses pressure relieving perforated foam-filled headband and unique rotating ear cups to provide out-of-this-world comfort. And I am here to tell you that this is my favorite, most comfortable headset ever that I've ever used so far to date. It literally makes you want to wear this headset, and I'm not alone in this thinking. So I've had people try this headset on, just complete strangers, colleagues, co-workers, my wife, my mother-in-law, and they all had the same reaction, that it's extremely comfortable, and they literally said, oh man, it makes me want to wear it. And yes, it does, because it's that comfortable. How long does the battery last? So the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex has up to 20 hours of battery talk time, so you can use it all day without worrying about running out of power. Is it compatible with my devices? The Jabra Evolve2 Flex supports connectivity with computers, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The Evolve2 65 Flex is available in 8 different variants that include USB or USB-A or USB-C dongles, with or without a wireless charger, UC and Microsoft Teams models, and I recommend that you contact an authorized Jabra reseller like, I don't know, Call 1 or Hello Direct if you need help with compatibility. Is it certified for Microsoft Teams? Yes, the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex variants are certified for Microsoft Teams and include a dedicated Teams button so you can enjoy the seamless collaboration experience. How good is the noise cancellation? And when we're talking about noise cancellation, folks on the interwebs are talking about active noise canceling. So in terms of the speakers, the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex has best-in-class hybrid active noise cancellation, ANC, that effectively reduces background noise so that you can focus on your work or calls. And actually, here are some tests to show you how well the ANC performs. All right, check them out. I'm gonna leave the ears open so that they can hear the sound around them. So I'm gonna play this background noise. All right, so that's the background noise playing. So these ears should be picking that up as well as my voice. So now I'm gonna put the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex headset onto the ears with the active noise canceling on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is attempt to test the active noise canceling speakers of the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. So what I have is one camera here recording my audio and the background audio, and then I have this microphone here is connected or picking up the speaker sound that's coming from the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. And then I'm gonna pipe some audio from my mobile phone directly to the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex so that you could hear people talking. So let's say you were in a contact center or in an open office environment or in a coffee shop or somewhere and you were having a conversation. What I'm trying to convey here or show is what you would be hearing if you were wearing the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. And so without further ado, let's do that. And then I'm gonna kind of cycle through the ANC, hear through, and the off feature of the Evolve2 65 Flex. So let's try that right now. All right, so I'm gonna pipe some audio through there.
Analyst with Wayne House Research, part of the Futurum Group, and we are live at the showroom floor at InfoComm. This is North America's largest audiovisual professional trade show, and we are excited to be here. And joining me today is Josh Blaylock. Josh is with Jabra, and he's got one of the coolest titles I know of, Chief Video Evangelist.
It's a fun one, but thanks for...
All right, so this is background noise, and I'm gonna cycle through.
Talk about today
There
as
is,
well.
but you know, one of the things I really want to dive into is you and I have been talking about this story about future-proofing with the Jabra portfolio, and it's a really great concept, and I want to talk more about But before we jump into it, let's talk about some of the basics. Core to this is the Panicast 50. Right. Tell me about this video solution and some of the key bits.
Here, if you were wearing the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex, I think that's ANC on.
And in truly unique form, it brings a 180-degree field of view, which is, I don't like getting too deep into technical weeds, but that's an important one to underscore, that field of view, because 180 degrees essentially means...
All right, so now what we're gonna do is some microphone tests. And just so you guys are aware, these are extreme tests. I have used this out in the real world in multiple environments to include coffee shops, airports, hotel lobbies, and I thought I had created some of those videos and posted them on this channel, but I know I've done it at least on LinkedIn. So if you want to ever see first run stuff, go to LinkedIn or follow me on LinkedIn. I'll include that link in the description box below. But anyway, all right, so go back. You know what, I should do picture. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex in an open office environment. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex and there was vacuuming going on in the background. All right, so there's chicken in the background. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex and there were chickens running around in the background. Now, again, forewarning, it's going to get super loud because there's going to be a baby crying in the background and they get up to 100 decibels. So be forewarned. So here we go. Right, so this is what it would sound like if you were using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex and there was a baby crying in the background. All right, this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex and there was a dog barking in the background. All right, so it's pretty loud. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex and there was a blender running in the background.
This summer, finance first with Launch Credit Union. Our low rates and flexible terms make financing fun more affordable when you finance first.
And so this is what it would sound like if you were using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex and the television was cranked all the way up. So there you go. We answered some frequently asked questions about the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. We did an ANC speaker test, and we also did some extreme microphone tests. If you have questions about Jabra audio and video solutions, for example, this Panicast 20 that I'm using to film this video that had that cool picture-in-picture feature, reach out to us. We can answer any of your questions. All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.